So today we're gonna be unboxing some Shein stuff that I bought from Shein. I bought these stickers. They're like for the bathroom door. This one is for like toilet. And this is like a storage organizer for dresser. What I bought now is a fall vibe sweater. Get like 80s vibes. And the stretch and it's really warm and comfy. Now we're going to unbox this box. They're like my new favorite white boots. And they're church pieces. Alright everyone, I hope you liked this video and thank you all for watching. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!